Watch one video and earn $2.80. Watch 10 videos and you will get $28. And you can earn over $100 easily by watching videos, because there is no limit to how much you can make. So let's start. First step is open this brand new website. On this website, you can watch videos and make money online. I will reveal the name of this secret website very soon, so make sure you keep watching. As you can see here, that an average user withdraw almost $5 every day from this website. And this website has already paid over $487,000 to the people like you. To use this website, we need an account, so click on Register Account button to create an account. Enter the unique username for your account. Type your email and create a strong password for your account. Click on I'm not a robot, check on terms and conditions, and hit the register button to register yourself. If you don't want to do all of these, you can simply use your Gmail account to directly sign up. Once you successfully created an account, your dashboard will look like this. Now, if you have any doubts about this website, you can see that this website has over 4.6 ratings on Trustpilot, and it is one of the verified company, so you can use it to make money online without worrying about anything. Now here, if you scroll down, you can see that this website allows to withdraw your payment in different available payment methods. If PayPal is not available in your country, then you can Amazon, Roblox, Bitcoin as alternative for receiving your money. And good thing is that you can withdraw your earnings when you have only $2 in your account. I'm also going to reveal some tricks that I use daily to boost my earnings, so make sure to keep watching to find out. For second step, once you have step up your account, click on Earn, and that will take you to this page where you can find many different ways to make money on this website, such as complete offers, watching Twitch streams, listening to music, and many more. But as I earlier said, today we want to make money by watching videos, so I want you to select Watch Streams option from here. Don't worry if you don't have Twitch account, you can still use it because it is not mandatory to have an account for watching streams on Twitch. As you can see here that there are lots of videos you can watch and make money. Most of these videos are gaming videos related to PUBG, Counter-Strike, GTA, Fee, etc. So if you are a gamer, then this method is great for you because you can watch your favorite games and still make tons of money. Now, if you want to earn money by playing your favorite games, I have a great strategy that can help you make thousands of dollars by simply enjoying your favorite games. If you want me to make video on this topic, then comment down below, telling me the name of your all-time favorite game. Let's get back to the video. Now, for example, if you like this video, then you can click on it to open it. On this page, you can watch this gaming video. And while you're watching this video, you are making money simultaneously. As you can see, that you are getting 2.8 points per minute watching this video. And this can go as high as 10 points depending on country you are watching from. The more developed your country, the more money you are going to make. For our upcoming videos, please comment below with the name of your country. This will help me make videos on methods that work specifically in your country. Apart from your country, remember that the longer you watch the video, the more you can earn. If the payout is less than 2 points, consider watching these videos for more time to boost your earnings. And here's the exciting part. There's no limit to how many videos you can watch. First bonus trick is that you can go to settings and choose 160p to lower your video quality. By doing is you will save your internet data, and it will be beneficial for you if you have limited data. Second bonus trick is that you can open multiple videos in different tabs at the same time on your browser. This will help you maximize your earnings. By doing this, if one video earns your $2 per minute watching video, and if you open 10 videos in different tabs, you will be earning $20 per minute. If you're interested in this website and want to know its name, keep watching until the end of the video, where I'll reveal the name of this awesome website. Step 3 to earn money. Watching videos is to watch these short and trending video clips and get money every 5 minutes you watch. For this, you have to install the Livestream app on your Android or iOS mobile device. Enter your username in the app, which you can find for yourself right next to this second point, and then you can start watching those shorts. You can earn anywhere between 1 point to 10 points every 5 minutes you watch those video. The longer you watch, the more money you will make, and all the money you earn on Livestream app will be automatically added to your account on this website. You will also earn 1 ticket every 5 minutes that can help you earn even more. Now, if you want to boost your earning, you can use other different methods available here to make money online. For example, you can make money by listening to songs. For this, you also have to install this app in your mobile device. And you may earn 1 to 10 points per 10 minutes you listen to radio music. You can also earn extra cash by completing offers like playing games. participating in surveys, etc. Let's open and explore this complete offers option. That's gonna take you to this page where you can find the featured offers, offer providers, and survey providers. On featured offers, you can see that here you can install some apps and games like Flappy Bird, which you play and earn money. Next is offer providers. As you can see that here is many offer providers listed, which you can simply open and complete more offers and make money. Some of them offer providers will also help you earn money by watching videos. Like if you open AdSense Media, you can see that here is many apps that we can install and earn money. But if you scroll up and click on where it says videos, it will show you all the different platforms where you can earn money by watching videos. On this platform, aside from videos, you can also make money by completing surveys, doing shopping, signing up to different websites, and install different apps to your mobile device. So if click on mobile apps section, it will show you different apps and different games that you can install on phone and make money online. You can also filter out the apps based on your device type like Android, iPhone, iPad, and you can install the apps that is specifically available for your device type. Just like AdSense Media, if you open up Lootably, you will find that Lootably also has different apps you can install and earn money. But Lootably stands out from AdSense Media because here, you will find the endless list of hundreds of apps available for you to install and make money. As you can see, I can keep scrolling down on the platform and apps will keep showing. Good thing is that these apps also pay quite a good money to install. There are many interesting apps and games like Loot Parrot that you can install and earn money while you enjoying playing that game. Now, just like AdSense Media, if you come to top of this page, you can see that this platform also provides you videos section to watch videos. If you click on that, it will show all the video categories that you can watch to earn money, such as food videos, DIY videos, gaming videos, business videos, etc. Choose the category you like to watch and click Watch Videos next to it. For instance, I like food videos, so I will click Watch Videos button next to it. Now it's gonna take me to this page where first I need to sign up on this platform. As soon as I sign up, my Loot TV account will be automatically linked to main website. All the money I earn here on this platform by watching videos will be directly added back to my account on this website, where I can easily convert it to real cash. Now, the website we are using is rewardy.io. As I earlier said that this website has 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot, and it is one of the verified company. The last step is to withdraw your earnings. You can do it by clicking on Withdraw button from here. On this withdraw page, you will see two methods you can use to withdraw your money. Either you can withdraw your earnings into cash by using cryptocurrency like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or you can directly get into your PayPal account. You can also withdraw your earnings in gift cards, such as Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Roblox gift cards. If you want me to share my payment proofs from this website, then help me get over 1,000 likes on this video, and I will create a separate video about the payment proof of this website. There you have it, how to earn money by watching videos. But if you want to make passive income while you are using your browser, then watch this video where I will show you how to make money by watching ads on your browser.